Kum Shibanta Banrat Dingkong e Kajinkan Ray Jong Drok Hapo Kari Bhoi District, but Kum Jo Apo Kajala Barok away, Nakaliang Kari Bhoi Police Hakajingas Nok Tilang, but Ka Union Christian College Umyam, Mentakasni Ka Katsantrik Julio, Kalapulong Yak Program Ijing Panshai, Shaki Kana Puli, Jungilai Taliki School, Bagantup Eka James Memorial High Secondary School, St. Francis D. Assisi High Secondary School, but Ka Union Christian High Secondary School, Hakabe Day, but Udrok, Ganja, but Kiwe Kijing Di Buat, Halor Kapang, drug abuse, but illicit trafficking, Yakabalapulong, Ha Union Christian College Auditorium Hall, Umyam. Hakategasngi, Lawan Banyadon Bentalang, Dr. L.R. Bishnoi, IPS DGP Meghalaya, Ugiri Prasad, Superintendent of Police Ribhoi, Uarpra Banshan Kharkongor, PONSS, Dr. M. Mani, Principal Ka Union Christian College Umyam, Kinohikai, Ki Khana Puli Nakitekilai Taliki School, Lembat Ki He Officer Nakatanat Pulit. Hadin Balakut Ka Awareness Program Nakaliang Ka Ribhoi District Executive Force Kilapin Iru Eka Megha Shakti Drill, Balapin E Dakakinhon SF-10 Commando Jangki Kantay.
Any chemical substance which can change the function of your nervous system is a drug. And why it is known as narcotic drugs? Because the drugs is derived from the plants. And there are 3 plants on this planet from which drug is derived. First is poppy plant, opium poppy. Second is cannabis plant, also known as hemp. And third is coca plant. And where coca plant is found, any idea? Coca plant is not found in India. Anybody has any guess where it is found? Mainly it is grown in the South American countries or so-called Latin America, like Mexico, Colombia, Brazil, Argentina, Paraguay, Uruguay. These are the Latin American countries where the coca plant is grown. So from coca plant, cocaine is made. From the poppy plant, opium is made. And from the cannabis plant, we get it cannabis or marijuana, or in common parlance it is known as ganja. Okay? But you might be thinking why administration is not destroying all these plants and control the problem forever. It's not possible. Even if you destroy, eliminate all these 3 plants from the planet, still drug problem will remain. Why? Any guess? Any idea? Times more potent than your narcotic drugs. You might be under impression that when the police are seizing various kinds of drugs, many of them are synthetic drugs, like amphetamine tablets, like lysergic acid diethylamide. All these are synthetic drugs which can be easily manufactured in the laboratories. For them, you need not to depend on the plant sources. And this problem is not only in India, not only in Meghalaya, not only in Northeast, but it is a worldwide problem. It's a global problem. In America, in states, highly developed states like America, nearly 1 lakh people are losing their lives every year to the drug abuse. So this is a very, very serious problem. So when we think of the reasons why students are falling prey to the drugs, why they are taking drugs, I am not saying that students here in the UCC are taking drugs, but you must be aware how we can prevent this problem. So that our MSS officer has given you some presentation and shown you some slides where the reasons were described why the youth are taking drugs. So first reason is the peer group pressure. Peer group means the pressure from your friends, pressure from the students. So when you select the friends, please be careful that good friends and nice youth are selected. If anybody is a spoiled brat, and if you make him a close friend, then he will influence your behavior and tempt you for drugs. Second is curiosity. Some students are curious, let us check it, what is this? And once you take it, it's very difficult to come out of it. Because the drugs like heroin, you require very, very small doses. 150 milligram only in one dose. And if any youth takes 3 doses, 150 milligram, 150 milligram, 150 milligram, mean total 450 milligram, that is less than half a gram. After taking those 3 doses, the youth will become addicted permanently, and then it will be.
So we have to be very careful right from the very start that we are aware, first of all aware, and as I will say, prevention is better than cure. Right? Prevention is better than cure. Now there are different types of drugs. I will not go into the details of each and every one, as our respected SP has mentioned. Confiscation of heroin, confiscation of marijuana, confiscation of cocaine, many different types of drugs, right? But as you can see, there are 3 very important categorizations of drugs. Stimulants, you have to be very careful. For those of you who are aspiring sportsmen also, you may feel the need of being induced into taking stimulants to make yourself physically stronger, to make yourself physically fitter, right? And then that becomes a habit. Right. That's why our sportsmen also are very much young sportsmen and women are very much under the danger of being exposed to this menace because of the physical consequences that it provides. Right? Depressants, those who are eating too much, either mentally or physically, tend to overuse drugs. And of course, those who do it for fun, hallucinations, it produces chemicals in your body and you become addicted without even much realizing. Alright? So be aware of these 3 categories. Okay. Now, although alcohol is not categorized as a drug, but we find abuse of alcohol can also lead to addiction and other consequences and other health conditions. So you have to be careful with not only drugs but also alcohol. And we know that it has a lot of consequences and a lot of ill health effects in our bodies. Our kidneys and our liver are not meant to absorb so much of foreign substances. It is meant to process food. It is meant to process solids and liquids that will nourish our body's mind and soul. But an overuse of this, an over abuse of this will lead to a lot of ill health, especially concerning your internal organs. So please be careful, especially now that you are still very much in your youth and your internal organs are still developing. Right? You have to be very, very careful. Recently, just 2 weeks ago, we had observed the word no tobacco day. So you have to be careful that even an overuse of tobacco can lead to abuse. Right? And these are very graphic images, but it is only to serve you as an example that at this very early stage, you have to stay away from abuse of these substances. In fact, here at Christian College, along with the village model, that has taken a pledge and taken a step that we will make this campus and the nearby villages tobacco free, right? Especially for the youth and for those under 18.